So today's agenda is box plot, or you can call it whisker plot, basic interview questions. Here you can see how it looks, box plot. So basic question is like, what is difference between bar chart, pie chart and a line chart? Or you can also say like, interviewer may ask question, uh, when to use bar chart, when to use pie chart and when to use line chart. Bar chart you can use basically when interval which is given. Pie chart to present percentage, and line chart you can use for the trend analysis. So your answer might be more better. You think, prepare, because there is no any exact answer for such kind of question, but you can try. Next one is, what is difference between pandas and numpy? Both are the Python libraries, and pandas basically deal with series data frame, but numpy deal with numerical data manipulations. Next one is, what is the difference between matplotlib and seaborn? Matplotlib is a visualization tool for two-dimensional data presentation, while seaborn can be used for both two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Seaborn is developed above or on the top of matplotlib. Next question is, what is number 5 number summary? What is 5 number summary? So 5 number summary is related to box plot where minimum, Q1, Q2, Q3 and maximum Q1 to Q3. It means Q3 minus Q1 is a IQR, interquartile range. So basically 5 numbers are there. First is minimum, then Q1 lower quartile, then Q2 is median, then Q3 is upper quartile, and then maximum value. Next question is same. What is IQR? IQR is interquartile range, and for calculation you can say it is Q3 minus Q1. Next one, what is the difference between range and IQR? Range, basically if you are saying range 5, so it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if you are saying IQR, interquartile range, so it means upper quartile minus lower quartile, Q3 minus Q1. Next is, what is the best technique to calculate central tendency? This is a very diplomatic question because there is no any one answer. It depends on the data. Suppose if data is categorical, then you can go for mode. Median is highly affected by the outliers, so you should not use median as a mean as a central tendency. Sorry, I am going to repeat this question. What is the best technique to calculate central tendency? Actually, there are three methods to calculate the central tendency: mean, median, mode. Mean is highly affected by outliers, so we should avoid using mean to calculate central tendency. Mode is the actually frequency, so we are not going to use mode as a central tendency. Median, yes, of course, median we can use for central tendency because it will be not affected by the outliers. But in case of categorical data, you can use mode as a central tendency determination, and box plot utilized median for central tendency. Normal distribution utilizes mean to calculate central tendency. What are the two types of statistics? There are two types of statistics like distributive and inferential statistic. In distributive you can go for box plot, but in inferential you are going for central limit theorem. What is the normal distribution? Wherever you are going to use mean for central tendency, that is the normal distribution. Normal distribution gives you concept of 68%, 95% and 99.6%, where 68% is between minus sigma to plus sigma. I mean, for one distance for one standard deviation. What is the perfect normal distribution? Perfect normal distribution where mean equal to mode equal to median. What is SS? Sum of a square or variance or sigma square is nothing but uh, sum of difference of mean. Suppose y is given, so for each y subtract y bar, square it and sum it, so that would be sum of a square. What is the difference between variance and a standard deviation? A square root of variance is a standard deviation, and variance and a standard deviation, another difference is a standard deviation is unitless. For example, suppose you are going to add 1 centimeter plus 1 meter. In variance it is not possible, but in a standard deviation no concept of unit, so that can be added. Now in the next session we'll draw like box plot. How to draw we'll see. So hope this will help. Thank you.